Hey, Chung.
Hi James, what's up?
So let's just say, for example, like hypothetically, that some unnamed employee accidentally transferred some company funds to the wrong account.
Oh. Huh.
So, you're in human resources. I was just wondering, like, what would happen to this imaginary employee?
In a nutshell, the employee would be fired. Why? Did you transfer some money to the wrong account?
Oh God, no. And I was just wondering, like, if this were to happen, like, what would happen? What's that?